Felix, pull the buoys out, put them on the port side. That's right, land yacht. Beautiful machine. This is a nice driver, so the paint shows well, minor imperfections. Chrome has minor pitting. I would rate this one easily a 7 out of 10. That's a 70% out of 100. This is the perfect driver. Does have a power top that operates, that's black. Your bright work on the front fascia looks great. You have the signature 4 eyes for the 68. Let's start off with the driver's side. Driver's side condition is nice. It's not wavy, it looks good. Minor imperfections on the paint, so you have minor chips, scratches, etc. Tires have about 99% tread on them. I love the center caps for this one, it looks really good. Windshield's in great shape as well, as is the dash, just minor paint imperfections on the dash. But overall, a really nice piece. So if you're in the rental business, or if you want to cruise down South Beach or down the coast, this is the perfect candidate because you put the top down, you have red guts on the inside, and you just look so good. Everybody's gonna give you a thumbs up while you're driving it. Opening up the driver's side door, you're gonna see how nice the door cards are. So you have the carpet that matches the floor. You have, in case of emergency, call Tinny Cadillac. So you have that information right there. Power windows operate, but they are finicky. So sometimes you have to go back and forth and then they will operate, but they do all work going up and down. You still have original rubbers on the inside, so you can see that they're starting to get a little tender. So you gotta be careful when you're putting those windows up. Closing the door, closes nicely. Rear seat's very nice since we can see it right now. The pull strap on the driver's side seat is missing the emblem right here on that other side. You do have ashtrays everywhere in this car. So you have ashtrays for the rear, you have ashtrays for the front, a big one in the center. Looking at the rear section is nice and clean, paint is even. So the silver this is 20 feet long, the silver is nice and even throughout. You do have a single exit exhaust, and remember this is a big block with rear wheel drive. So it's the last of an era. Then they started going to front wheel drive. Let's put the key in the trunk. Trunk is nice and clean. You do have another set of caps here, spare tire, and the actual trunk is in very nice condition. Once again, original rubbers throughout, so take a look at that. You have your jacking instructions right here, and the original jack is in place. You do have the soft close, so the soft close operates. Passenger side is very nice. I do see a little bit of a paint imperfection right here on the rear quarter. Underneath this top, you have a black convertible top. It was probably replaced about 15 years ago, so you have a little bit of tearing on the rear section. If you want to see the operation of this, we'll show it right now. Also, we'll show the imperfections in the gallery. So click on that link below. We usually have around 250 plus photos. Opening up the passenger side door, you can see that it was obviously repainted at some point. You do see some filler work here, and they did replace the GM insignia. But when they sprayed it, they did not take the latches off. So it's not a super professional paint job. Door cards are very nice. I love the wood grain that goes throughout. So you have wood grain on your dash, door cards, and the rear quarter sections as well. Closing the door, closes nicely. To open up the hood, you're gonna pull this release, lift up, and then there's a secondary. Opening this up, you're gonna see that beautiful 472 big block. Very nice condition. You have power steering, you do have factory air. The air conditioner compressor does turn on, but it is not cold, so we just tell you how it is. We tried to charge it, it's not holding a charge. Starts up easily, runs down the road very nicely. You can see all the cooling systems for the power steering pump, etc. Just a really nice piece. If you want to see more photos of that engine, click on the link below. All right. The interior is very nice. Your dash is showing 27,526 miles. I'm not sure if that's rolled over, but the condition itself shows very well. You do have a glove box right here with some receipts and paperwork, which we'll have in the gallery as well. Hopefully Nick took pictures of that. You have your ashtray for both the driver and the passenger. You have your wiper controls, your washer sprayer, and we're gonna test all that out when we take it for a test drive. Once again, this is a factory AC car. The AC is not operating. Looking at the seat condition. Seat condition's nice. It's comfortable. Minor imperfections on this would be vinyl. The vinyl has minor imperfections. You put the key in the ignition. It starts up like that every time. Steering wheel is in very nice shape, minor cracking. You do have the ability to telescope your wheel. You also have a tilt column in case you're a little bit bigger. There's no banging when you put it into reverse or drive. No issues at all. And it definitely does a burnout. So these are the motors that I'm not doing a burnout in this, but it's a very torquey motor. I believe these make almost 500 foot-pounds of torque. So just think about that. This also weighs probably 4,800 pounds. What do you say we take this thing for a spin and you can decide if you want to put this in your collection? Thank you. Have a great day. Vote for Pedro. We're going to jump onto 84, get this barge into the main canal. The exhaust is very quiet, surprisingly. Cruising at 48 miles per hour right now. Does what it's supposed to do. Transmission acts as it should. If you guys have any questions at all on this ride, give us a call at 954-363-2261. We're going 50 miles an hour right now. Let's cruise up a little bit so you guys can get a nice back shot. But this is a great cruiser, and it looks good too. We'll do the turnaround here. All right, let's cruise. No dead spots in the carburetor. Nice and smooth, just shifted into third gear. Not a race car, this is a cruiser. Temperature's slowly rising too, so it looks like we're at not even the halfway point yet. 472 big block. Taking the corner. I love that you could just drive it with your finger. Here comes the first set of bumps. And then a big dip. Oh, scrubbed a little bit on the bottom. Must have been the exhaust. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, you know what to do. 954-363-2261. I'm out of here. See the glasses? I got them from 7-Eleven. I forgot mine at home.